viewers, once more you are welcome to English Language Center. Let us start with the greetings of Islam. Assalamu alaikum. As far as today's class is concerned, let us see what is the output, what is the result of the things which have been taught to the viewers, to the students, whether they are in a position to speak or not. Let us see the practical, whether they are in a position to answer my questions and to create the questions, how much potential they have gained within the 15 days and how much potential there will be in the future within the 2 to 3 months, as I have already told you that you will get the control over the language within 3 months. So it needs much more practice. Today we will practice things in the class and see whether students are in a position to answer my questions or not. The practice will be Urdu to English, because that has been taught. We have kept the base of the translation. So whether the students are in a position to translate the things from Urdu into English, then English into Urdu, then finally it will be checked whether they are in a position to speak English into English. Individual interaction will be there and combined test will be taken from the students. Watch carefully and see the result. Okay, let us start. हाँ नाज़रीन, आज का जो हमारा क्लास है इसमें हम ये देखेंगे कि क्या लड़कों के अंदर या देखने वालों के अंदर इतनी सलाहियत पैदा हो रही है कि वो आगे चलकर इस लैंग्वेज का सही इस्तेमाल कर सके, क्योंकि इसकी बेस हमने उर्दू से इंग्लिश ली है और इंग्लिश से उर्दू और फिर इंग्लिश इनटू इंग्लिश. दैट इज द अल्टीमेट, दैट इज द फाइनल. यानी जब लड़के और व्यूअर्स जो मेरे सामने हैं और वो जो देखने वाले हैं, when they are in a position to speak, they are in a position to answer my questions, and they are in a position to translate the things from Urdu into English, then English into Urdu, then English into English, that will be the positive result. आज हम इसको जांच लें whether the students who are under practice, who are going under practice, see individually as well as combined. The first practice will be the combined, the second practice will be individually. So let us start. Bolo. Speak. In a loud voice. Bolo. Speak. मेहरबानी करके बोलो. Please speak. मेहरबानी करके अंग्रेजी बोलो. Please speak. मैं बोल सकता हूँ. I can speak. मैं बोल सका हूँ. I can speak. मैं उस्ताद के सामने बोल सका. I can speak. Very good. I can speak English in front of the teacher. मुझे बोलना चाहिए. I can speak. मुझे जरूर बोलना चाहिए. I must speak. शायद मैं बोलूँ. I may speak. गालबन में बोलूँ. I must speak. गालबन मैंने वहां बोला होगा. I might speak. Wait, I might have spoken. I might have spoken. यकीनन मैं बोल सकता हूँ. Of course I can speak. Of course I can speak. बहुत अच्छी बात. Of course I can speak. Of course is the adverb. Of course I can speak. No doubt I can speak. Really I can speak. In fact I can speak. So मुझे बोलना है. I have to speak. एक आवाज के साथ, एक रिदम के साथ, एक राइम के साथ. I have to speak. मुझे बोलना है. I have to speak. मुझे बोलना था. I have to speak. मुझे बोलना होगा. I have to speak. मुझे आज क्लास में बोलना होगा. I have to speak in the class. Very good, excellent. I will have to speak in that class. मुझे बोलने की जरूरत है. I have to speak. I need to speak. मुझे बोलने की जरूरत नहीं. I need not to speak. मैं बोला करता था. I need to speak. I use it to speak. These are the models. मैं बोलना चाहूंगा, I would, सभी एक साथ, I would like to speak. I would like to speak. Now the tenses. मैं बोलता हूँ,
I speak.
क्या मैं बोलता हूँ? Do I speak? मैं नहीं बोलता हूँ,
I don't speak.
क्या मैं नहीं बोलता हूँ? Don't I speak? Very good. मैं बोल रहा हूँ,
I speak.
I am speaking. सभी एक साथ. This is the continuous. जिसका स्ट्रक्चर हमारे पास है subject plus is oblique am oblique or plus verb being form. Then is object, then is pad, then it is object, then it is rest of the sentence. तो इस पर आप बना सकते हैं clearly. I am speaking. I am speaking. Now the perfect. मैं बोल चुका हूँ.
I have speak.
I have spoken. I have spoken. Now the present perfect continuous which we have done before 3-4 days. मैं पिछले 15 दिन से बोल रहा हूँ. I have last 15 days. I have been speaking English for last 15 days. मैंने बोला. I spoke. Clear? मैंने अंग्रेजी बोला.
I spoke English.
क्या मैंने बोला?
Did I speak English?
Did I speak English? मैंने अंग्रेजी नहीं बोला. I don't speak English. क्या मैंने अंग्रेजी नहीं बोला? Didn't I speak English? अंग्रेजी बोली गई. English was spoken. आगे आप कह सकते हैं by me, by my friend, by teacher, by anybody else. आगे कोई भी हो सकता है. English was spoken. क्या अंग्रेजी बोली गई? Was
English spoken.
अंग्रेजी नहीं बोली गई. English was spoken. पूरा बताओ.
English was spoken.
क्या अंग्रेजी नहीं बोली गई?
Was English spoken.
Was in English. Now the question is in English. Do you speak?
Yes, I can speak.
Do you understand?
Yes, I can.
Don't you understand?
No, I don't understand.
Or you understand?
Yes, I
understand. We का इस्तेमाल करो. Aren't you understand?
No, we are understand.
Have you understood?
Yes, I have.
Have you understood the language?
Yes, I have understood the language.
Haven't you understood the language?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Can you understand?
Yes, I can understand.
Can't you understand?
No, I can't understand.
Can't you play the game?
No, I can't play the game.
Will you be able to play the game?
Yes, I will be able to play the game.
Will you be able to call for the examination?
Yes, I will be able to call for the examination.
Won't you be able to call for the examination?
No, I won't be able to call for the examination.
No, I won't be able to call for the examination because due to the COVID. Due to the COVID. Did you call for the examination?
Yes,
Yes.
I will call for the examination.
Structure पर जाओ. Yes, I called for the examination. Didn't you call for the examination?
No, I didn't call for the examination.
Jointly हम कहें we didn't qualify the examination. इस तरीके से आप कोई भी जुमला बता सकते हैं. वो गाड़ी चलाता है, he drives the car. लेकिन करना कैसे है? He drives the car, he is driving the car, he has driven the car, he has been driving the car for 1 hour. अगर पास्ट फॉर्म में लिया जाएगा the car he drove the car. Did he drive the car? He didn't drive the car. Didn't he drive the car? The car was driven by him. Was the car driven by him? The car wasn't driven by him. Wasn't the car driven by him? ऐसे ही पैसिव में भी कहना है, ऐसे ही एक्टिव में भी कहना है. Is it? Let us see individual practice. Yes, Renu. Now the questions will be asked to you. That will be the first of all we are going to do the auxiliary questions, because as far as the auxiliaries are concerned, then we go to the next. That is our what we call the WH questions. Those are called the informative questions which we have not done so far. Do you speak?
Yes, I speak.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Don't speak English.
No, I don't.
Are you speaking English?
Yes, I am.
Have you spoken English?
Yes, English is spoken.
Have you been speaking English for 1 day?
Yes, I have been speaking English for 1 day.
Have you been speaking English for 1
No,
day?
I haven't speaking English for 1 day.
Did you do the work?
Yes, I do the work.
I did the work. Did you do the work? I
Yes, I
did the
did.
work. Is the work done?
Yes, the work is done.
Is the work done by you?
Yes, the work is done by you.
Isn't the work done by you?
No, work is not done by you.
The work isn't done by. Short form का इस्तेमाल ज़्यादा करना चाहिए. Is it?
Yes.
Do you play the game?
Yes, I play the game.
Can you play the game?
Yes, I can.
Can't you play the
No, I
game?
can't play
Are
the
you playing the game?
Yes, I can.
Is the game played?
Yes,
Is the game being played?
Yes, the game.
Has the game been
Yes,
played?
the game has been played.
Have you played the game?
Yes, I have played the game.
Have you played the game?
Yes, I have played the game.
Did you play the game?
Yes, I played the game.
Very excellent. Did you play the game? Yes, I played the game. Did you drive the car?
Yes, I drive the car.
Yes, I drove the car. यही प्रैक्टिस होती है when you are in a position to answer the questions accurate with confidence. That should be 100% right. First of all, there maybe there's some little bit mistakes, but we must carry it on. We must go ahead. With the passage of time, you will get hold over it, will control over it, and then there will be the time that you will speak fluent English. Okay? Tomorrow, the discussion will take. Every student is bound to take part in the discussion. Every student is bound to come in front. Every student, whether he is, no one is weak. It is your thinking. Among you, every student is intelligent, having much more knowledge. Every student can do undo things. We must think that there will be the time that we will get hold over the language, and inshallah by the grace of Almighty Allah, okay, have a good luck to you.